Our drains can't cope with any more effluent. I'm sure we've all had mornings like that. But that's a message we got from an engineer who works for a well-known bakery company. They pump their bakery product, this thick gooey dough, through pipes, and when they rinse the pipes, they flush it. It creates a lot of waste and a lot of effluent, and their drains, very old drains built in Victorian times, I think, couldn't physically cope with any more. They were also at their discharge limits as well, so they had to do something about it. So they looked at options which included building waste storage, waste treatment, as well as getting the stuff tankered away. But obviously, the best solution is to not create the effluent in the first place. And this is how HPS liquid product recovery, otherwise known as pigging technology, can help. It doesn't have to be bakery products. It could be other food stuff. It could be deodorant, personal care items, paints, coatings, industrial lubricants, beverages, all sorts of stuff. So if you work for a company that processes liquids and you want to reduce your effluent as well as other benefits of pigging, such as increased yields, capacity, improved environmental sustainability, speed up changeovers, etc., I'll send you a free white paper which tells you all about it, its benefits, how it works, what it can do for you. Just put something in the comments or send me a LinkedIn message and I'll get one over to you.